The inspiration for the Rose and Vine came a little bit via the pandemic when everyone was forced outside and outdoors, and we saw just how much appetite and how much joy people came from actually. We had a temporary site set up here so they could be almost in the vineyard, and I think we just wanted to recreate something which reflected that enjoyment from people, brought people into the vineyard, and was different and unique compared to other wineries near us who had hospitality offerings. So it was trying to kind of bring all of that together, and we've made it happen, which has just been amazing. This outdoor space has just augmented everything that we do here and just brought a whole new dynamic to the place and a whole new audience too. We had no hospitality site, nothing focused on it, and what it's done is brought people into the vineyard, so you can come and visit us, sit in the restaurant, feel like you're within the vines in a beautiful garden setting, enjoying the views with some delicious food that's served from our kitchen on site and by our chefs on site. So the outdoor living pods were a perfect solution for us, with the sides that came up and down to enable us to protect our customers from the different elements of weather. We are obviously in England, so it's not sunshine all the time, and also with the inbuilt heaters, but they're also incredibly stylish, and all of the working parts are internalised, so you can't see anything when you're sitting in there. It doesn't spoil the view when all the sides are open, but you're cosy and warm if it's a little bit chilly or the rain's coming down too, so a perfect solution. So this new venue has ensured that we've doubled our footfall on site in the last year, and we're expecting that to increase even more as awareness grows of the venue that we have here. It's given customers who were visiting us for other reasons and a reason to stay or come back to us because they've seen the restaurant and wanted to be a part of it. And also it's given people, we also have customers who come back pretty much every week. So we have those regular customers now being built into our sort of database as well. So it's been absolutely an amazing success for us, really. From the very beginning of our relationship with Caribbean Blinds, they've just been incredibly helpful to us and come up with designs that we wanted, answered all our questions, and if we've had any technical hiccups since installation, they've been here quickly to try and support us and sort them out. They work really well with our contractors who are doing the other builds, so I have to say it's been a real pleasure working with Caribbean Blinds on this project.